You've heard the hype. AI is changing everything, and you've heard the promises of dropshipping, a low-risk entry into the world of e-commerce. But what happens when you fuse these two powerful forces? You get more than just a side hustle. You get a strategic, automated, and intelligent business model built for the modern era. Traditional dropshipping is a grind. It's a constant battle against market saturation, razor-thin margins, and overwhelming operational tasks. But by integrating artificial intelligence at every step, we can systematically eliminate these pain points. Forget throwing products at a wall to see what sticks. Today, we're building a precision-engineered e-commerce machine. This is the ultimate AI dropshipping blueprint. Step 1. It all begins with your niche. But not just any niche. We need to pick a niche where AI provides a distinct, undeniable advantage. The goal isn't to just use AI, it's to leverage it to create value that competitors can't easily replicate. This is the foundation of your entire business, so we need to get it right. Let's break down 3 powerful categories where AI truly shines. First, personalized products. This is a goldmine. Instead of offering generic items, you empower customers to create something truly unique. AI can act as a co-creator. Imagine a customer typing, "a cyberpunk cat wearing sunglasses," and an AI instantly generates a dozen design options for a phone case or a poster. This moves you from a simple reseller to a creative service, allowing you to command premium prices and build a loyal customer base that comes back for more. The perceived value is exponentially higher because the product is one of a kind. Second, and closely related, is next-generation print-on-demand, or POD. The old POD model was limited by your own creativity. You could only create as many designs as you could physically design. With AI, that bottleneck is gone. You can generate thousands of unique niche-specific designs in a single afternoon, targeting hyper-specific communities. Think vintage synth enthusiasts, or urban gardeners. AI doesn't just create the art, it can also write the titles, descriptions, and tags for every single listing, allowing you to build a massive searchable catalog with minimal effort. And third, curated smart gadgets and problem-solving tech. This isn't about selling random electronics, it's about using AI to analyze thousands of customer reviews for existing products. AI can identify the most common complaints, feature requests, and pain points. Armed with this data, you can source or even private label products that directly address those gaps. Your marketing is no longer a guess, it's a direct response to a proven market need. You're not just selling a gadget, you're selling the solution everyone has been asking for. Step 2. With our niche category chosen, we now use AI for deep market research and product validation. This is where we separate winning ideas from costly mistakes before spending a single dollar on inventory. We're going to use AI tools to act as our market intelligence team. These tools can scrape social media, forums like Reddit, and e-commerce marketplaces to identify emerging trends before they go mainstream. Look for rising keyword volumes, increased social media mentions, and a high problem-to-solution ratio in online discussions. Once you have a handful of promising product ideas, you need to validate demand fast. Don't just trust the trend report, test it. A powerful technique is to create a simple coming soon landing page for your top product concept. Use an AI copywriter to generate compelling headlines and descriptions. Use an AI image generator to create stunning photorealistic product mock-ups. Then, drive a small amount of targeted traffic to the page with a simple ad campaign. The goal isn't to sell anything yet, it's to collect email signups. If you can get a significant number of people to give you their email for a product that doesn't even exist, you've found a winner. Step 3. Now that you have a validated product, it's time to automate your store's content and advertising. This is where AI becomes your tireless marketing assistant. For product listings, use AI tools trained on high-converting e-commerce copy. Give it a simple prompt with your product's features and target audience, and it will generate persuasive titles, benefit-driven bullet points, and detailed descriptions optimized for search engines. What used to take hours of painstaking writing can now be done in minutes, allowing you to launch products faster and maintain a consistent professional brand voice across your entire store. For advertising, the process is similar but even more powerful. Use AI to generate dozens of variations of your ad copy. Test different hooks, emotional angles, and calls to action. Pair this with AI-generated ad creatives, images, or even short videos. Launch a multivariate A/B test, or as it's often called, a split test. Your ad platform's algorithm, which is itself a form of AI, will quickly identify the winning combinations of copy and creative. Your job is no longer to guess what works. Your job is to feed the machine with options, analyze the data, and double down on the winners by allocating more budget to the ads that deliver the highest return on ad spend. Step 4. This next step is critical and often overlooked by beginners. Locking in reliable suppliers and establishing crystal-clear service-level agreements, or SLAs. An amazing product and brilliant marketing mean nothing if your customer receives a broken item 2 months late. Your supplier is your partner, and you need to vet them rigorously. Don't just pick the cheapest option on a marketplace. Order samples, test the product quality, the packaging, and the actual shipping time. Once you find a good supplier, negotiate an SLA. This is a formal agreement that defines your expectations. Key terms should include order processing time. For example, all orders must be dispatched within 48 hours. Quality standards like a defect rate below 2%, and packaging requirements, ensuring the product arrives safely. This agreement protects your brand and your bottom line. Remember, every return, every refund, every bad review chips away at your profit margins and your brand's reputation. Returns kill margins, but a solid SLA is your insurance policy. Step 5. Automate your customer support with AI-powered chat flows. As you grow, you can't personally answer every customer query. This is a major bottleneck that burns out most entrepreneurs. Instead, deploy an AI chatbot on your site. But this isn't the dumb, frustrating chatbot of 5 years ago. Modern AI chat flows can be trained on your product information, shipping policies, and FAQ documents. It can instantly answer the most common questions like, where is my order? By integrating directly with shipping APIs, it can handle return requests, process exchanges, and even recommend other products. This frees up your time to focus on the complex, high-value customer issues that require a human touch. The goal is a seamless handoff. The AI handles the routine, and when it detects a truly frustrated or unique problem, it automatically creates a ticket and escalates it to you or a human agent, complete with the full conversation history. You must monitor the quality of these interactions, but a well-implemented AI can dramatically improve customer satisfaction and response times. Finally, let's talk about scaling. The only way to grow sustainably is to scale with data, not vibes or gut feelings. Your AI-powered dashboard is your single source of truth. You need to be obsessed with your unit economics. Specifically, you must track 2 key metrics: customer acquisition cost, or CAC, which is how much it costs you in marketing to get 1 new customer, and lifetime value, or LTV, which is the total profit you can expect to make from that customer over time. A healthy e-commerce business typically has an LTV that is at least 3 times its CAC. If you're spending $50 to acquire a customer who only ever spends $60, you have a very fragile business. But if you're spending $50 to acquire a customer who spends $200 over the next year, you have a growth engine. AI helps you optimize both sides of this equation by lowering your ad costs to reduce CAC and by improving customer experience and retention to increase LTV. So, are you ready to launch? This blueprint might seem complex, but the principle is simple. Start small with 1 validated product. Iterate fast by constantly testing and learning from the data. And by leveraging AI at every step, you will win sooner and build a more resilient, profitable, and automated business than you ever thought possible. That's the playbook. Find a niche where AI adds value, validate with data, automate your content and ads, secure reliable partners, and scale with ruthless attention to your numbers. Now, go build it.